Hello everyone and welcome to Sparkle English. Today's mini lesson is on the difference between accept and accept. It's very common for English language learners and even native English speakers to get confused about how to spell or use these words correctly, since they are homophones and sound exactly the same. Let's learn the difference between these two words. Accept, spelled A-C-C-E-P-T, is a verb that has several meanings. To accept can mean to receive something, to agree to something, or to believe something. Let's look at some examples of accept in a sentence. I will accept the job offer tomorrow. Jason accepted my invitation to dinner. Will you accept my apology? I can't accept your gift. Now let's review the word accept, spelled E-X-C-E-P-T. Accept usually functions as a preposition or a conjunction. Accept means excluding or apart from. Let's look at some examples of accept in a sentence. They were all invited to the party except me. The restaurant is open every day except Friday. Everyone except for Tina can go to the playground at recess. Now let's look at some mixed examples using both accept and accept. We accept all forms of payment except credit cards. Except for Matthew and Karen, everyone accepted the invitations to our wedding. Now it's your turn to practice. Write sentences using accept and accept in the comment section of this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. Thanks for watching.